Hey there! Welcome to our video on how and whom to study in Denmark. Denmark is a top study destination among international students, and we're excited to help guide you through the process. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about choosing a course, which universities to consider, the application process, costs, and student visas. First things first, when studying in Denmark, it's important to choose a course that matches your academic interests and career aspirations. Luckily, Denmark offers a wide range of courses at both undergraduate and postgraduate levels, from engineering and business to humanities, science, and technology. So, be sure to consider factors such as course content, duration, tuition fees, career prospects, and entry requirements before making a decision. Next, let's talk about universities. Denmark has 8 public universities and several private institutions that offer degree courses. Some of the top universities include the University of Copenhagen, Aarhus University, Technical University of Denmark, and the University of Southern Denmark. Each university has its own strengths, teaching methods, and campus culture, so make sure to research each one before making a decision. Now, onto the application process. It varies depending on the university and course you're applying for, but in general, international students must submit an application form, transcripts, a CV, a personal statement, and proof of language proficiency in English. Some courses may also require you to submit a portfolio or take an entrance exam. And remember, the application deadlines for courses in Denmark are usually between January and March, so plan ahead and submit your application in time. Let's talk about costs. The cost of studying in Denmark varies depending on the university and course you choose. Public universities in Denmark offer free tuition to EU, EEA, and Swiss citizens, while non-EU, EEA students must pay tuition fees that range from 6,000 to 16,000 euros per year. Private institutions may have higher tuition fees. In addition to tuition fees, students will also need to budget for living expenses such as accommodation, food, transport, and leisure activities. Finally, international students from outside the EU, EEA must apply for a student visa to study in Denmark. To apply for a student visa, you must first be accepted into a course at a Danish university and then provide proof of financial means to support yourself during your stay in Denmark. You'll also need to provide a valid passport, health insurance, and a clean criminal record. To sum it up, studying in Denmark is an amazing opportunity for international students to receive high-quality education in a welcoming and innovative environment. Just remember to consider all the factors before choosing a course in university, plan ahead for the application process, and budget accordingly for living expenses. We hope this video has been helpful, and we wish you all the best on your study journey in Denmark.